history museum. I am from the dinosaurs. And this is where I am going to sleep. And right next to these humongous wooden I am doing my first activity. I'm trying to sketch this, and I'm doing it very badly. But we're going to do it on a t-shirt, which is easier to see through later. My mum thinks that only when you're asleep it comes alive. And let's see if it's true or false at midnight.
Are the British owl? Well, you're right, because they are found in Britain. They're actually the most.
This is my end of my trip, and I have just watched the show before I am leaving. And it was very fun, and the best part was when I was sleeping, and I only slept for 6 hours and 30 minutes tonight.